Let's take a look at this first car, a gorgeous 1955 Crown Victoria glass top, owned by Mr. Brian Kelly. Oh, there's Brian and his good pal Gary. Say hi, boys. We are here in beautiful Sydney, BC, Canada for the 25th Annual Northwest Crown Victoria Regional Meet.
We got red cars, we got pink cars, we got blue cars, we got cars with no tops, we got cars with glass tops. Looks like everyone is ready to go cruising. Let's line them up, hit the road, and see what these classic cars can do.
Alright, so good morning, folks. We are here once again with Mr. Brian Kelly and his gorgeous 1955 Crown Victoria, which I call the Cat Meow. And as you see, it is a Skyliner, like we mentioned before. Beautiful car. And in behind us, you'll see a bunch of Crown Victorias. Here we are, the Pacific Northwest mini meet in Sydney, and the crew has come out here to see the Lancaster bomber at the BC Aviation Museum. So everyone is enjoying seeing this aircraft, getting to talk to the people. There's Ted. What do you think, Teddy? Did we do an okay job building this thing?
So this is something I didn't realize they had to do, is let this form for a while.
Yes. Yeah.
Jeez.
What did you ladies think?
Pretty awesome.
Pretty awesome. I mean, you never get a chance to see or do anything like it. How's the crew doing up there, Gary? Gary, are you piloting this aircraft? Woo! This is awesome. Ready for takeoff. All right.
Stay tuned for more of Cruising with Carla.